Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Super Magnetic Puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alexander Majeric from Slovakia and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. Super Magnetic Puzzle is made in a combination of Acacia and Venge. It has difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the object of the puzzle is to remove all 4 parts from the frame. This puzzle has 4 parts, each part has unique shape, and this frame has 2 cutouts. On one side, cutout looks like a plus, and on the other, it looks like minus. That's why this puzzle has its name, since each side represents poles of a magnet. When you start playing with this puzzle, you will quickly figure out that some of the parts are trying to escape so easy, but it is not as easy as it may seem, since you can almost remove this part, but then it is stuck, and to keep solving it, you have to figure out how to move all other 3 parts. And that's going to be a challenge, since some of the parts are small, and when you try to solve the puzzle and tilt the box left, right, or other directions, these puzzles may move, and it's going to be quite difficult to keep them in one place and to track what is going on inside. So that's going to make the solution of this puzzle even more difficult. If you like Super Magnetic Puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!